Centene is a leading managed care provider, serving approximately 1 out of every 15 individuals in the U.S. The company provides significant value to their 28 million customers by aiming to keep costs low and access to quality healthcare high. The environment is poised for growth. Government-sponsored program spending is projected to grow 67% from 2024 to 2034, with Medicaid spending expected to grow at a nearly 5% compound annual growth rate to $1 trillion over the same period. Management is guiding for EPS growth of 12 to 15% over the long term, outpacing top-line growth expectations of 7 to 8% as they look to rein in costs and grow higher margin segments to become a larger proportion of total revenue. CNC shares are trading at a nearly 45% discount to peers on 2026 EPS estimates, despite a robust long-term growth profile. Management's capital allocation priorities are aimed at creating further value for shareholders, which we believe signals important alignment in objectives.